Teachers. Has your school claimed its Senior Mental Health Lead funding from the DfE? Funding is available to all schools in England, but only until summer term 2025. Teach Well Toolkit is a DfE-approved provider of senior mental health lead training. Using our unique online mental health toolkit, we take you step by step through the process of implementing a staff and pupil mental health culture in your school. By becoming a senior mental health lead, you will work in partnership with your staff to improve their mental health. A mentally healthy staff creates mentally healthy pupils. Don't miss out on this time-limited opportunity for your school. Book your place before the DfE free funding expires. We offer 12 months unlimited support to ensure that you are accompanied on your journey to build your school's mental well-being culture. For more information and to book, go to the URL or scan the QR code that will appear shortly on your screen.